Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin or sales rights and enabling two-step auth if required. Next, create your ad manager network, add publisher domains, and set time zone and currency so reporting aligns with billing. Once done, define inventory. Create ad units with standard sizes like 300 x 250 and 728 x 90 and add key values for audience segmentation. Make sure to save changes. This initial setup lets you serve ads and test line items without wasting impressions. You now create advertisers and orders and attach creatives with correct file specs. Use flight dates and delivery caps to control pacing. Then add line items. Pick sponsorship for guaranteed reach, standard for reserved, or network for remnant, and assign priority and CPM. Next, layer targeting, inventory, key values, geography, devices, and day parting to narrow delivery. Once configured, run a small test campaign to confirm creative serve and delivery matches forecast before scaling up to full traffic. You finish by trafficking, generate and implement tags, then preview in live pages to ensure creatives render and impressions register. Once active, build reports. Use saved queries, compare date ranges, and export CSV or PDF for stakeholders. If things go wrong, first check line item priority and competing targeting overlaps, then verify creatives and tag placement. If delivery stalls, reduce frequency caps or broaden targeting. If errors persist, review debug console and the creative's MIME and size to resolve rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.